Better than expected. Words that we have really been hearing more often as 2023 is drawing to a close, and it's definitely way different than the sentiment we experienced earlier this year. Yesterday's PC report once again showed that the numbers were better than expected. We're seeing some sort of dropping or flattening in terms of the cost of goods and services, which is a great sign. Now, this is great for the market. The market used this again as a delayed fuse. If you guys didn't check out my SHIB video earlier today, I discussed this as well. Everything went on a nice rally. BTC actually stretched its legs to the high 38, setting a new yearly high. ADA also got out of this little bit of a question mark area, and it's back towards the top end of this bullish pennant. Okay, I had questions about this bullish pennant. Someone asked, isn't it a diamond? I mean, not really. If you ignore the wicks, sure. You know, is it a ascending wedge? Maybe, right? Again, wicks, you can obviously draw it like that. I mean, you can draw these charts really any way you want, but seeing that we've been on the bullish side of things, it seems more likely that this is a bullish pennant. Again, we are still in our uptrend. We are still moving to the upside, which is a great sign. We're still setting higher lows. Okay, great. ADA price, just keep doing what it's doing. All right. Now, I will say this. We are not going through disinflation. All right. The only way that as a whole price really drops across the board is if we enter a recession. That's really the only way to counteract all this inflation that's happened over the last 3 years. And frankly, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. Could we tip into a recession? Absolutely. Is there still capital flowing around? Yes, there is. And again, we're beginning to see a lot of that transition over to crypto now. We're starting to see a transition to stores of value. That's what people do in these times. All right. Now, this is a good thing because although the economy hasn't really completely recovered yet, we're still kind of in the early stages of that. The markets do bottom before the economy begins to recover. All right. And we are now in this period where the economy is beginning to recover, which is the reason why I've said the markets have bottomed. We're not setting new lows. We're not getting down to the levels we were at before. If anything, worst case scenario, we would likely stay sideways. Maybe some consolidation. You know, people talk about ADA going back down to 27 cents. I don't even see that. You know, realistically, 35 cents, maybe 30 cents, right? Somewhere in that range. But major retracements in the market, apart from black swan events, have really kind of fallen by the wayside. We've gotten a lot of the bad actors out of the space. The biggest thing of all, the biggest cloud that loomed over the industry, obviously in terms of people in the industry, was Binance with CZ. And we obviously know that that has been figured out now as well. Basically, what we're looking at is a sea ahead of smooth sailing. Now, this doesn't mean there's no corrections. It doesn't mean there's not little things that pop up here and there. There's always the possibility for that to happen. But there are, again, so many bullish catalysts that are ready to send the market higher. Again, if you guys missed my video, actually, I think that was a SHIB video. Right now, there is the highest amount of USDT on exchanges ready to buy since mid-2022. There is the lowest amount of BTC on exchanges since 2017. We're on the verge of a major supply crunch, right? There is not enough supply to go around. And this is why this bull market is likely going to be one of the most explosive ones we've ever seen for BTC, for Ethereum, for ADA, for many other assets throughout the space. They're going to experience something truly explosive. Frankly, and this is not financial advice, you could almost throw capital at anything nowadays or at this time and do well in the bull market. That's kind of the type of bull market this is gearing up to be. Remember, mass adoption, enterprise adoption, institutional money. Do not underestimate how much interest there is from all these different things that truly have the power to lift the crypto market to levels you've never seen before. So just wanted to share that with you. Again, great things happening. I'm very excited. I'm happy that ADA is continuing to move the upside. Was always hoping for some more drops and maybe we get them, but right now we're staying bullish. So appreciate you as always. Show your support below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.